You've seen how easy it is to collaborate with others using ExcelWay, whether it is in a visual workshop or a task board. But you might be wondering if anyone can just jump in and see all your project data, or how you control who can do what in your projects. In this last video of the ExcelWay 101 series, we will be looking at what a role is and how access permissions work, and how to edit permissions in projects, boards, or workshops. In ExcelWay, a role is what determines whether a user can read, create, update, or delete data. When a person is added as a member to a project or a board, he can be assigned one of these three roles. Admin, who has full permissions on the project or the board, including the ability to manage its settings, to delete it, and to manage members' access. Editor, who can create objects such as boards, workshops, or tasks. Viewer, who can read the data but not edit it, nor add any board, workshop, or task. As seen in the previous tutorial about workshop invitations, workshops have two types of roles: facilitator and participant. Roles are set individually at the project, sub-project, board, or workshop level, which allows for greater flexibility. For instance, a user can have an admin role on a project, but a reader's role on one of its boards. On the other hand, a person can be a member of a project but not have access to some of its sub-project data. In that case, the user will only see the name of the sub-projects in the project menu, but won't be able to access any of its boards or workshops. Roles and access permissions can be edited anytime. In a project, one can add, remove, or edit the role of users by clicking the Invite Member button or the green icon here. On the Manage Members window, note that the Position field has no functional effect on a user permission, but is only designed for reporting purposes. To apply in bulk the list of members and their roles to all workshops, boards, and sub-projects, check the option here. To manage access and permissions in a board, click the green Invite button here. Additionally, within a board, you can restrict access to tasks only to people that are set as the owner or members of the task. In that case, check the option Only people with an admin role can see all tasks. In workshops, the list of participants and co-facilitators can also be managed from the Invite button here. In a private workshop, participants can be turned into facilitators or vice versa at any time. Congratulations on completing ExcelWay 101. The best way for building your ExcelWay confidence is to jump in and start with one of our workshop or board templates. Remember, if you're not sure how to do something, you can seek out our support center by clicking the Help button here. Type into the search field and get the answers you need on any of the ExcelWay features. To sharpen your facilitation skills, don't forget to visit our blog and follow our social media channels. We regularly publish tips and techniques to help you use our templates and lead collaboration in your workplace. If you can't find what you're looking for in these resources, feel free to reach out to us at support@excelway.co. To connect with the community of ExcelWay users, join our Facebook group and get priority access to live webinars and community events. We'll see you there!